Stop ordering egg foo young. This homemade, no deep fry version is better than takeout. In a wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil, ground pork, salt, and white pepper. Stir fry for about 3 minutes until cooked through. Remove and cool it down slightly. Here's a quick tip to never cut your fingers again. Tuck your fingertips under, make your fingers into a claw, and let your knuckles guide the knife. Now you can cut your vegetables safely. Cut cabbage, carrot, and scallions. You can also use pre-packaged vegetables to save more time. In a bowl, crack our eggs. Add some salt and cornstarch slurry. I have here 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Whisk. Add the cabbage, carrot, mung bean sprouts, and scallions. Return the cooked ground pork and mix everything together. What other ingredients do you like in your egg foo young? Feel free to add anything you enjoy. In a wok over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. You can use any high smoking point oil like avocado, grapeseed, or peanut. Add some egg foo young mixture to the wok. Cook until golden brown for about 2 minutes. Most restaurant egg foo young is deep fried. In this pan-fried version, you still get crispy edges and fluffy center, but it's lighter and healthier. Flip the egg foo young and cook it to golden brown for another 2 minutes. Remove and repeat with the rest. Let's make the gravy. In a pot over medium heat, add chicken stock, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. Whisk and bring it to a simmer. Add the tapioca slurry. It helps to thicken the gravy and give it a glossy finish. Stir until smooth and thicken. Serve the egg foo young with the gravy. And that's it! My family loves this egg foo young even more than takeout. If you want to try chicken egg foo young, check out the video right here. Subscribe, follow, and like for more 30-minute Asian recipes. And check out my cookbook in the description for even more delicious dishes.